Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel, Okay, you guys, today in Life with Star, we are keeping it the realest of the real, okay? So you guys know I drink a lot of tea. I sometimes can drink like 12 ounces worth of tea. Bigelow, not sponsored, wouldn't mind it though. So, you know, teas, coffee, smoking, certain foods you eat, just, you know, overall hygiene and aging can affect the coloration of your teeth. And I think that it is time for me to do something, you guys, because my teeth are starting to get a little stained. I don't smoke. I don't drink coffee. I mean, I eat, you know, whatever, and I take care of myself. But I drink a lot of tea, and it's been over the last few months that I have increased my tea drinking. So today we are going to show you guys, you guessed it, yes, we're going to show you guys how you can whiten your teeth in the comfort of your home. So with us today we have our good old Crest baking soda and peroxide whitening toothpaste, okay, which we're going to create a little mixture. I'll show you guys. And then we have pure baking soda, okay. We also have 3% hydrogen peroxide. We also have Burt Bees charcoal plus whitening fluoride toothpaste. Although you may see a lot of people say that this is unhealthy for your teeth, I've done a little bit of research, and as long as it's not overused, we should be okay. And then last but not least, good old Crest 3D Whitestrips, which I'm really excited to use. I also have a Tupperware bowl. I also have a tiny ramekin. And then I have a mason jar with water, and I have my toothbrush. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Before we get started, my name is Angie. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome to Life with Star, and this is Life with Star, honey, for real. If you guys have not already subscribed to the channel, I would love to have you, so go ahead and subscribe now. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss a new single upload coming your way. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I think that this is something that everybody at some point or another has considered doing. Maybe you don't want to go to the dentist, maybe you can't go to the dentist, you know what I mean? But you should definitely visit your dentist at least twice a year. Just saying, brush your teeth regularly, clean your tongue, and floss your teeth. Okay guys, so let's get into the video. Okay, all right, are you guys ready? Let's get started. So the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to create a little bit of a mixture with our our Crest baking soda and peroxide whitening toothpaste. So I'm going to put literally like a little bit, like that much, not too much, not too much. And then I'm gonna take my spoon. I just have like a regular teaspoon, and I'm going to try, without making a mess, scoop out some baking soda. The baking soda. And we're gonna pour that. Ooh, I think that might be too much, but you know what? It's all right. And then we're going to take some of our peroxide. You wanna make sure that you're using at least 1.5 to 3% peroxide for this. And then also make sure that you don't suffer from tooth sensitivity, because it could potentially like irritate your teeth if you're sensitive. So we're going to pour some peroxide, whoa, into our spoon, and we're gonna dump that in there, and I'm going to stir it up. We're gonna stir it up, y'all. Y'all see that? We're gonna stir it up, okay? Okay. The toothpaste that I have is fresh mint. Depending on what type of regular toothpaste that you're using, if you feel like you are sensitive to like the taste, you could add a little bit more toothpaste. I probably should get like a rag. Hold on, you guys. So it's kind of has pretty much a good slip, but I'm just working it into my toothbrush. Whoa, making a mess. Yes, it might get messy, you guys. So I'm working it into my toothbrush here. And we're literally going to brush our teeth, really. I mean, in a nutshell, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna brush our damn teeth. So let's get to brushing. Yes, yes. You guys know how to brush your teeth, right? So I spit out the little bit of excess that was in my mouth, and I'm just gonna let this kind of sit and settle in my mouth for like 1 to 3 minutes, not too long. I will say that it does have, although I do have the fresh minty flavor of my toothpaste, the peroxide and the baking soda is still very much present. So if you are a person who is sensitive to different types of taste, then it may not be like, you know, the thing for you. But I have good teeth, you know. I had braces when I was a kid, and my downfall or my pit was that I just hated keeping up with my retainer. I have a permanent retainer on the bottom, but I just couldn't seem to keep track of my retainer. And after my father decided he wasn't going to keep paying to replace them, and it was my money that was getting wasted, I just said screw it. So then now I have this beautiful signature gap that I've just become accustomed to, and I don't really know if I want to get rid of it. I don't know. I think I might just do one more good brushing, and then we'll rinse our mouth. Okay, so we'll be right back, you guys. Here are our teeth so far. So that is method number 1. It's nothing better than having like a fresh feeling in your mouth. So this was our, any type of whitening toothpaste, okay? Like it can be any brand, whatever, as long as it's a whitening toothpaste. And then get pure baking soda and get either 1.5 to 3% hydrogen peroxide and create your mixture. You can make it a little bit thicker if you desire. I don't feel like that is necessary to have it too thick, but you know, to each his own. Do what you please. You're grown, you can make your own decisions, okay? So next we're going to try the Burt Bees Charcoal and Whitening Fluoride Toothpaste, and this is flavor Mountain Mint. But let's read this. The key claim is that this toothpaste, crafted with charcoal, removes surface stains to help restore teeth to their natural whiteness and freshens breath. Enjoy. So enjoy we shall. Let's give it a whirl, yeah? Shall we? Now, before you professionals try to come on here and tell me that I should not be doing all these things all at once, it is too abrasive, blah, blah, blah. This is literally like a one-time deal. It's not something that I'm gonna be using all 3 of these methods at once. But I think it's something good to have, you know, that you incorporate into like your monthly regimen, because these are not things that you would do multiple times a week at the same time. Make sense? Okay. So here is our toothpaste tube. Focus for your girl. There we go. Burt Bees, holla. And this is what it looks like. So it's not so much black. It's actually kind of gray. So yeah, let's get excited. Okay, it does taste really good though, y'all. I mean, I know I brushed my teeth, but I'll be honest with you, I do feel like I don't know if it's because of the charcoal in there, but my mouth feels a lot fresher and cleaner the second round with that versus with the other. I wonder if it really matters what gets mixed with the peroxide and the baking soda. I just happened to see on a blog about mixing the whitening toothpaste, but I mean charcoal, I mean this is technically like a whitening toothpaste too, so I wonder if I could use this in replace of the other, because like I said, my mouth does feel a hell of a lot fresher, and it just feels, I don't know, I like that. That's nice. That's nice. I like. Yeah. So that was that. That was, again, the Burt Bees Charcoal Plus Whitening Fluoride Toothpaste and Mountain Mint. My mouth feels clean. I mean, it should after brushing it twice, right? So, dum da da dum 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 da da dum. I know we all have seen this, okay? Online, in stores. There we go. I got it, y'all. They don't want you to get in here. I'm gonna tear the damn box up before I get into the product. Okay, y'all. Make sure I keep my mess contained here. Okay, so don't mind the box, okay? I just had a fight with it. But here are our Crest 3D white strips. Yes. Dental whitening kit. Noticeably white, visibly whitens teeth in just days. So this box was a little under $20 and it comes with 20 strips, which is supposed to be 10 treatments for one upper and one lower. So I feel like something's missing. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Crest, I have a question. This is misleading. Why y'all got 2 sections in the box? Am I missing something? Or is that like the upgraded kit? I'm confused. I'm just wanting to know why y'all got that section over there. Y'all could have just made the box a little bit smaller, no? Anyway, these are what the packets look like, you guys. These are what the packets look like, so you guys know. And it's supposed to be enamel safe, which I did do a lot of research, and a lot of professional dentists actually recommend this product. So it's supposed to be pretty safe for the teeth. And it's going to say, so you peel, you apply, you reveal. You're gonna wear this for 30 minutes. Damn, do I have a chore to do? So it just peels down the side. Y'all know I am clumsy, child. How the hell am I supposed, oh, okay. Read the directions, Angie. Okay, upper strip is longer, woo! And the lower strip is shorter. So if you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can really see. Can you guys tell? Here's the upper and here's the lower. So let's start with the lower first. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Is there a pictorial? No, not good enough. Okay, so we got the bottom on. I feel like I'm playing that game where you put the thing in your mouth, the mouthpiece, the little mouth guard. That's what it feels like I'm playing. So I'm happy, y'all. Oh man, really? Crest, y'all got to do better. There we go, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna do like this. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, okay? Okay, y'all, so we're supposed to let... I feel like I have on dentures or like 2 retainers in my mouth. Like I should be able to talk normal, but I don't know, it's because I know something's in my mouth. I don't want to talk normal. Ooh, my lips feeling. Okay, so it said that I'm supposed to let it sit for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go watch the last episode of My Criminal Minds, and then we'll be back, y'all, and we're going to reveal our newly whitened teeth. No? Okay. Yeah, that was kind of extra. All right, superstars, y'all hang tight. We'll be right back. Okay, superstars, we're back. You guys, so on the box, it does not tell you that you have an increased amount of fluid when you're wearing these damn things, okay? So we're going to take them off. I have to rinse my mouth. So, here are our teeth. What do you guys think? Does anybody see a difference? I don't know, I feel like I kind of see a difference. It's hard to tell. Okay, y'all. It is what it is, but the box does say, this is why I don't read damn directions, and this is what happens. It tells you that it's best if you don't brush your teeth before you do it. But you know what? Whatever, because I had to show you guys some things and give you guys some options, dog it. Whatever. It's all good. But it says for full results, use entire kit. up to 2 kits per year. But when do I do it again? Y'all, it doesn't tell me when I can use it again. What the hell, Crest? Y'all killing me, yo. I don't know, y'all. I don't know, like, when I can do it again. I don't know if there is a set time. I guess it's just dependent on the person because Crest is not telling me, you know, so I gotta just make my own determination. But it says that you can use up to 2 kits per year. So we've used one of our 10 little whitening kits. So yeah, let me rinse my mouth once more. Full transparency, that I noticed that once like the extra saliva started to produce in my mouth, the taste started to trickle to the back of my throat, which instantly made me want to start gagging and want, like, I had the urge to spit. So just be mindful of that. But here are our results. Smile for the camera, baby. So yes, you guys, that is how you can whiten your teeth at home with ease and not break the bank. I spent about $26-ish on everything from Walgreens. Again, I would assume that you can use any like whitening toothpaste. I think next week when I do the little toothpaste, baking soda, and peroxide mixture, I might try it with this one and just see, you know. But I'm going to incorporate these little things like once a week just to kind of maintain the cleanliness of my mouth, and then also try to reduce the stains, because like I said, with things that you eat or drink, it can definitely alter the coloration of your teeth, and we just want to be able to smile at these bitches at every chance we can get. Okay. So yes, superstars, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Drop some love down below in the comments. Tell me what home hacks, hygiene hacks, whatever type of hacks you guys are currently using while you guys are in quarantine, because you know this is what happens. People get stuck in the house all day and they don't know what to do with themselves, so they start doing little hacks, right? But I think this is a good one that we all can benefit from. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click the notification bell so you don't miss a single upload coming your way, baby, okay? And like this video, thumbs it up, share it, spread the word, okay? How to whiten your teeth in the comfort of your home in less than 30 minutes, okay? Holla. So yeah, superstars, I love you guys. Follow me on Instagram, _life with star with 2 R's _ and TikTok, life with star with 2 R's. Yes, so I will see you guys next time. Hello, teeth. Should I get rid of my gap, y'all? It's just been there for so long now, and it's kind of like become me. What do you guys think? Should I get rid of it? Or should I keep it? Is it like my signature now? I don't know. But you guys have never seen me really without it, so if we just got rid of it, maybe you guys won't miss it. I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and peace out, and we're gonna get our lives together. So I love you, superstars. Ciao, ciao. Mwah. Don't forget to spread love, because it's free, which means that it's what is cheap for you, and it costs nothing to tell somebody that you love them, and I love you guys. Bye, superstars.